In our last video, we looked into how to create new movies using our RESTful movies controller. Where we left, we successfully see the movies. First, we start our server as usual, so php sun serve. Then we can see all our movies. Adding movies was being done manually in the movies controller, so we literally fed it fake data. However, in a real-world application, you might want this data to come from a form. So how do we make this happen? Well, first of all, we need to create a form. Now, forms usually reside in the resources views folder. So let's go ahead and create a new file and call it add movie.blade.php. In our new movie form, we want to be able to take in, for example, when we want to save the movie, this is going to be done. We're going to use one of Laravel's helper methods called URL. So we want it to be to movies create. We want this to be a post method because, as you might have noticed, we use post right here. So we want this to be a post method, not a get method. So we change that to post. Right? Everything else so far so good. We'll go right ahead right now and create our first input field. So we create our input field. In the input field, we want it to be, first one, we want it to be title. So we want it to be title. Then the next one, we want that to be the genre. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So that one. The next one, I want it to be rating. So let's go ahead and look for that one as well. Okay. So we're not interested in the rest of this stuff here. Okay. So just that. Right. So far so good. Now something to remember is that when you're using Laravel and your forms, you need to protect your root. We do that using something called CSRF token, which you can find in the documentation routing. So let's look at that. It's down here, XSRF token. So this is how you put it in. You can see it's put in here. So we're gonna create in here a hidden pattern. This we're gonna call it token. So token. Note the underscore. Then the value, again we're gonna pull from Laravel. So we're gonna say CSRF token. That's. Then here we want it to be save your movie. So save new movie. Okay. So that's the first thing. Second thing, we need to load in this form. So perhaps a good place to load in the form will be when you do a get request on create. So let's go right ahead and create that method. So when you come here, all you need to do is return the view and just give it the name. Just like that. Let's go ahead and try this out. So movies, now I want to do movies create. Oh, let's change. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Okay, so I forgot to close in this. Okay, very good. So let's save that. See if that works now. Okay, something else. So it's supposed to be a function. It's not a variable. So you're good to go. So we need to provide in our title, our genre, and our rating. So say our title is classroom experiences, our genre is say fun stuff, our rating is say 3. So save new movie, told record updated. But when you go to new movie we see, still get the old data. Why? The reason for that is that we are yet to change this logic for saving. So we need to swap out this with some of our real data. So let's go ahead and do that. So this now comes to get data from the form. We need to use this helper called input. So from input we get first thing title. Then we go from input once more. Input once more, we get this memory. Then once more we go from input, get from input to get the rating. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that now. So once more we go to create, we give in our title, classroom experiences, our genre fun, our rating 3. Save the new movie. Let's see if the movie was saved. So movie was created down here. I might want to save ourselves some of this headache and just here, instead of returning record created, you can return back to the index file. Basically we are showing all the movies. So to do that, we're just gonna do a redirect. So we're gonna redirect our user once they get there successfully and direct them to the movies. Just like that. Okay. Let's try it out once more. So there's that window. Okay, so let's go ahead and create title, genre, anything, sorry, and just the main genre, rating C5. Yeah. Alright, so you can see that's created that. So let's go right ahead and do that and create our forms.